Citation is a process showing where you have used the words and ideas of others in your writing. This allows readers to determine one from the other, and it also helps both you and them to relocate the original material you used. As you are collecting sources for your paper, you may come across books, magazine articles, and websites. They are represented by the pictures you see here. There are many other types of sources as well. As you collect information, there are two important steps to do which will make citation much easier when writing your paper. First, for each source, go ahead and create a citation in the format your instructor has requested. For this example, we are using MLA format. Use a handbook or library handout to help you with the citation. Let's use color codes so you can see how everything fits together. The citation is the link between the source and your paper. It allows the reader to locate the source you used if they want to read the original material. As you take notes, you should write down the page number of any direct quotes you take from the source. It is also a good idea not to have quote after quote in your paper. If you rewrite the words of a quote into your own, you still need to note the location in the source since you're using the author's ideas. As you write, you will support your ideas with the information you found in your sources. Notice how our quotes and summary are in the text. When you use a source in your paper, you need a way to briefly show specifically where the quote or paraphrase material came from within it. This is where you will use the page number or other information you kept with your notes. In your paper, you will add this information as an in-text or parenthetical citation. The parenthetical citation will show enough about the source for the reader to find the full citation on your works cited page. This would usually be the author or author's last names, one or two words of a title if there's no author, and a page number if your source has them, enclosed in parentheses. One way of citing is by placing all the information at the end of the sentence containing your quote or paraphrase. However, to show the reader the distinction between your writing and the words and ideas from your sources more clearly, it is a good idea to do what is called the mention citation sandwich. In this method, you introduce material from your sources by placing the author's name or other identifying information at the beginning of the sentence where the quote or paraphrase appears. Then you merely finish the sentence with a parenthetical reference containing a page number or other information. Notice how this works with our examples. Again, this is a second link between the material and the full citation on your works cited page. Remember on your works cited page to alphabetize citations by the first letter of the first element of the citation, double-space your citations, have a hanging indent for all lines after the first of the citation, and for MLA, write works cited centered at the top of the page. Do not use a different font or size, and have a header at the top right of the page with your last name and page number.